Imagine, you're standing in front of a Porsche dealership. A beautiful 911 Carrera S price tag, over 110,000 euros. Now look at your phone. One Bitcoin is worth about 114,000 euros. In other words, today you can choose between one Bitcoin or a brand new Porsche. So, what would you choose? In 2010, 10,000 Bitcoins were used to buy 2 pizzas. In 2015, 1 Bitcoin was worth 300 euros. In 2020, it was worth 10,000 euros. In 2025, it's worth over 114,000 euros, a luxury Porsche. The evolution is spectacular. Bitcoin gains value, material goods lose it. A Porsche is about dreams, speed, luxury. But as soon as you drive it out of the garage, it loses value. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a rare asset. Only 21 million will ever exist. The rarer it is, the more valuable it becomes. Bitcoin is universal. Whether you're in France, the United States, Japan or Africa, it keeps the same value. When we say one Bitcoin is worth 114,000 euros, it remains abstract. But one Bitcoin is worth a Porsche. Now everyone can picture that. Bitcoin rivals luxury symbols. So I ask again, would you take one Bitcoin or a Porsche? The Porsche depreciates over time. Bitcoin could be worth much more tomorrow. Today, it's a luxury car. Tomorrow, it could be a house or even a building. Don't underestimate the power of Bitcoin. If you liked this video, like and subscribe to CryptoSavoir to give us more strength.